Hello, Assalamu alaikum, it's me Sabeena, and this is my Module 5 initiative update for the World Pulse Changemaker Lab 2022 programme. Module 5, Lesson 1. This video session was presented by Kirthi and was titled Fundraising, Financing and Accounting. Kirthi covered fundraising for your initiative, grants, crowdfunding and financing for specific projects. The following points have had the most impact. Rely on professional support for quality account maintenance. Prioritise transparency in bookkeeping. Thank you, Kirthi. Lesson 2. This video session was presented by Miss Benjamin and was devoted to grant writing. Miss Benjamin covered the areas of grants versus donations, the key aspects of grant writing process, the grant life cycle process and the grant writing steps. As a visual learner, I particularly enjoyed the diagrams and resource links. Many thanks to Miss Benjamin for a detailed and informative session. Lesson 3. This session was a webinar and was presented by Nuria Gracia and it was titled Bootstrapping. Quote, "Bootstrapping means building a business without external financing." I enjoyed Nuria's personal insight into establishing and operating a business on a budget, and I will be using her quote in my work. Know your goals, know your role, know your needs, know your tools. Thank you, Nuria. Assignment for Module 5. As a social entrepreneur, I was asked to talk about my business model. I talked about the fair trade model. Back in 2016, I had enrolled on the Future Learn Social Enterprise Business Doing Good course with the Middlesex University Business School and the Jindal Centre for Social Innovation and Entrepreneurship. The video What is Fair Trade was recorded for the Future Learn online course Social Enterprise, Turning Ideas into Action. Participants were asked to submit a video about their social enterprise and enter the International Social Innovation Challenge 2016. I've posted both my videos on my World Pulse Initiative Module 5 update. I won and shared my social pitch with 2 other participants. Many thanks to Dr. Sara Calvo Martinez, Jeremy Wade and all the other mentors and peers for their votes. I am grateful to Dr. Calvo for taking time out of her busy schedule to Skype with me and write a letter of support for the Little Fair Trade Shop and the Fair Trade Movement of the United Arab Emirates. I would like to thank Anna, Kirthi, all the mentors and trainers who have devoted their time and energy to design this Changemaker Lab programme. Best wishes to my peers and all the changemakers on this excellent programme. I wish you success and may your initiatives flourish and prosper. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to recording my Module 5 and Module 6 Training Tuesday update soon. Take care. Bye for now. Walaikum assalam.